Oh, I love to talk about this in a specific use case. We talked about stock tips just because it's an instantaneous thing. I think what a lot of people do with paid newsletters is have a public version and then a deeper dive, a longer version, a better version for paid members. So you could talk about something at a high level and then dig deeper into it for that paid level. I think that's a good model because it gives people that entry point into seeing what the content's and then give them more information if they're paying you. All of our premium code recipes, we tease the content about it. We have an excerpt that's indexed by Google that kind of talks about what the recipe is going to do for you, but you have to pay an upgrade to get it. So the same can be true for email newsletters. You could send the email newsletter to everyone and have a combination of posts that are part of a paid account and part of a free account. And that way, people who receive the email are getting some value from what they can read for free. And then the rest of it, if they want to upgrade, they can do that to unlock the rest of the post, is the way people do this. We had a customer years ago who did like industry news. So it wasn't necessarily stock tips, but it was a super hyper focused, I think, in like the energy industry. And it was very local, but it was information that was changing so often and so frequently that she just really developed an early thought leadership, early like community of people that knew that she had the most up-to-date information and she was consolidating it to them in digestible format, and they were willing to pay for that and pay for that as a newsletter and as a membership. And it was information that they could obtain on their own if they were watching all the government reports for the state about this feature and press releases from various companies. But because she was consolidating, making it a digest format and making it easy to navigate for them, it was like a no-brainer time-saving newsletter for people to join. So if you can find an opportunity like that to help people save time, and even if it's not completely original content, you're still going to be the person they go to because you're just making it quick and easy for them in their otherwise busy life.